Why you can't speak English. It is not your fault. Have you ever felt nervous while speaking English? Have you ever understood English but couldn't reply? Have you ever forgotten simple words while talking? If your answer is yes, then you are not alone. Millions of people face the same problem every day. The good news is that the problem is not your intelligence. The problem is your learning method. For years, many learners have been told to memorize grammar rules, learn difficult vocabulary, and translate every sentence from their native language into English. Unfortunately, this method does not help most people become confident speakers. Speaking English is a skill. Just like riding a bicycle or learning to swim, it improves through regular practice, not by memorizing rules alone. A simple example. Imagine you want to learn driving. You buy 5 books about cars. You memorize every traffic rule. You know the names of all the parts of a car. But you never sit in the driver's seat. Will you become a good driver? Of course not. English works in the same way. Reading is important, grammar is important, vocabulary is important, but speaking practice is essential. That is the missing step for many learners. The 5 biggest reasons. In the next pages, you will discover the 5 biggest reasons why people struggle to speak English, and how to overcome each one with simple daily practice. This chapter will help you build the right mindset before you begin your speaking journey. Remember, you do not need perfect English. You only need the courage to start.